Alright guys, it's still raining, been 2.5 days, so we decided to go get my hair cut and come down to SOGO. SOGO. This is the first floor, this is the main floor, it's known as their luxury level. This is the smaller of the SOGOs here in Taiwan. Afar. Very nice line of watches and jewelry. If you like these videos and want to see more, make sure you ring that bell so you're notified of any upcoming videos. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Yeah. If you're definitely looking for some international brands, this is the place to go. guys were able to sneak into the harbor buffet. We tried to eat again this year, but we didn't reserve in time. It's a few weeks waiting list. So we'll just do a little video feature real quick. This is a shrimp cake. So this is really good. These are grapefruit with crystallized sugar, caramelized sugar on top. They're really good. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Harbor Buffet. If you're here in Taipei and you book in advance, I definitely recommend you come check this place out. The variety is huge, the quality is great, and it's not that expensive. Somewhere around $30, $35 per person if I remember correctly. But before we leave, we're going to make sure we feature dessert bar for you. Take a look what they have. Here's our world famous chef. Alright, this wraps up the tour of SOGO Mall. Once again, I'll leave all the information and links that I can find in the description below. Until next time, have a fantastic day and enjoy yourself on my journey to Taiwan.